Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how I achieved this smoky looking jollof rice with some ingredients that were sent to me by a brand. So continue watching.
Something not right up. Girl, my dog money be money drop. My body something not right up. Girl, my dog money be money drop. My body something not right up. Girl, my dog money be money drop. My body something not right up. Girl, my dog money be money drop.
So last week I was sent some products by this brand called Sadaf. They make every single thing you would need in a kitchen, from spices to aromatics, sardines, tea, name it. They sent me a big box of so many of their products, which I plan to show you guys at the end of this video. So keep watching. I'll be using two of the spices that was sent. In fact, I already had one, which was the Province herb, and this rice seasoning was sent. I smelt it and checked the ingredients and saw that it had cinnamon. So I just used a little bit of that because I don't want my rice to be tasting so cinnamony. I also used the seven spices which I already had in my collection. So yes, I already had a few of their spices before they sent me a box. In fact, I made a video cooking with their spice and they liked it apparently because they sent me a message saying they wanted to send me a box of their spices. And Lord knows when I saw that message, I was so happy because their spices are so good. Instead of buying MSG to make your food taste good, you should invest your money in buying good and healthy herbs and spices to make you achieve that deliciousness you are looking for. This video is not sponsored by Sadaf in any way, but another reason why I created this YouTube channel was to recommend products you guys can use in the kitchen, was to recommend good products, good spices, give you guys tricks, kitchen hacks that you can use that has worked for me and I'm sure would work for you. So now it's time to unbox some of the products. My initial thought when I picked up my package was, oh my goodness, this box is heavy. What is inside? And you guys, can you see how the box is filled to the brim? Like, these people were so intentional. Number one, look at the packaging, like nothing spilled. A very wise choice to use bubble wrap to secure everything in place, because I love the fact that the packaging didn't come crinkled. It is one thing not to have the item spill, and it's another thing to have the item look like you went to the store to buy it yourself. When I saw the tea bags, I was like, oh, I thought these people just made spices. And then I saw tea bags, I saw sardines. You guys are going to see that. I saw sardines, I saw tuna. I was like, what is going on? These people are going all out. In fact, these people have gone all out. And from the message they sent me, this is a box of their new products. So I don't think these products have dropped in the market yet. I don't know what this is. I've never cooked with this before. I might have to do my research, but it looks good. It looks thick. It looks sweet. I honestly do not know what it is, but I was happy when I saw it. And then more teas, more teas. These people are really conscious about my health. They want me to stay healthy. And to be honest, I was supposed to say this was going to be saving the best for last, but it's just sardine that's in there, my guys. It is so obvious this sardine was packaged with so much love and intention. But anyway, this was everything I got from Sadaf, and slowly but surely we've come to the end of this video. Bye.